This age group is very important because in question they will confuse you about this age. The ovary release the estrogen and progesterone and the testis release the testosterone under the stimulation of the follicular stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. First of all, this is the first sign, this is the second sign, this is the third sign, this is the fourth sign. What is the normal age of the puberty in case of male and in case of female? Okay. So, normal age of the puberty in case of male or in case of boys, that is 10 to 14 years. And in case of girls or in case of females, the normal age of puberty is 8 to 11. Okay. This age group is very important because in question they will confuse you about this age. Sometimes they will mention you 9 years, sometimes they mention you 15 years, sometimes they mention you 6 years and 12 years. Okay. So this age group is extremely important. Try to remember this carefully. So now anything happens before this age will be known as a case of precocious puberty.
For female is 8 to 11.
Yes. So anything happens before this age group, it will be considered as a case of precocious puberty in case of male or in case of boys. Okay. And anything happens after that will be known as a case of delayed puberty. Whereas in the girls, anything happens before this age will be known as the precocious puberty, and anything happens after this age in case of a girls will be known as a delayed puberty. Okay. So this is the normal age of puberty in case of male, and in case of female this is the normal age of puberty. Now coming to the another point. What will happen in the normal age of puberty, like 10 to 14 in case of male, and in case of girls what is the normal age of puberty? Tell me. 8 to 11. Okay. What will happen in this normal pubertal age? There will be actually release of the gonadotropin releasing hormone, okay, from the hypothalamus. This gonadotropin releasing hormone going to stimulate the anterior pituitary gland and ultimately it causes release of the follicular stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. Okay. 10 to 14 and 8 to 11 normal age of puberty. In this normal pubertal age there is release of the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Actually what happens in the puberty? Release of the gonadotropin releasing hormone, then this gonadotropin releasing hormone going to stimulate the anterior pituitary gland, whole pituitary gland, then anterior pituitary will secrete the follicular stimulating hormone as well as the luteinizing hormone. Okay, these are called the gonadotropin. Please write it down. You have to take a note and a pen, okay? Then this follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, as it is gonadotropin, its function is to stimulate the gonad, okay? So whenever it acts on the ovary and it also acts on the testes. In ovary, the follicular stimulating hormone stimulates to release the estrogen as well as the progesterone, and from testes it will cause release of the testosterone. Is this clear? So the ovary release the estrogen and progesterone and the testis release the testosterone under the stimulation of the follicular stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. Now tell me, what is the another name of the follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone? I just have told you. Okay, thank you. So this estrogen and progesterone along with the testosterone. What are the function of they? Now, estrogen plus progesterone and testosterone, they will cause the development of the secondary sexual characteristics or the sexual characteristics or the characteristics of the puberty. Okay, so development of characteristics of puberty. So what are the signs of puberty? Okay, signs of puberty. In case of girls and in case of boys, there are some signs of puberty, but they are slightly different. Okay, so what are they? In case of boys, we will read the signs of puberty, and in case of girls, we will read the signs of puberty. Now tell me, what will be the normal age of boys of puberty? Thank you. And what are the normal age of girls in case of the puberty? Okay. So after that, what are the first sign? First sign in case of boys, the puberty is there is enlargement of the testes or testicular enlargement. Okay. Number 2, there is the second sign is pubic hair. Third sign is penile enlargement, and the fourth sign is axillary hair. So what are the signs of puberty in case of male? In case of male, the normal age of puberty is 10 to 14. In this age group, the normal signs of puberty, first of all, the first sign is enlargement of the testes, that is the testicular enlargement. What does it mean? It means increase the scrotal volume. Okay? Increase the scrotal volume. How much it should increase? It should increase more than 4 ml. Why I am marking this? Because this is came in the question in recalls. Okay? So enlargement of the testis means, what does it mean, enlargement of the testis? It means increase the scrotal volume. Okay, how much amount of volume will be increased in case of the testicular enlargement? That is more than 4 ml. So these are the normal signs of puberty in case of a boy. So now, whereas in the girls, the normal signs of the puberty is, the first sign is breast bud formation or breast development. Okay, breast bud formation or breast development. And the second sign is pubic hair. Then the third sign is axillary hair. And the fourth sign is, what does? And the fourth sign is menarche, that is onset of the menstruation. So these are the normal signs of puberty in case of the boys and in case of the girls.